tutorial to open and record your interviews using the VoiceX app on an Android phone. If you don't have an Android phone and you have an iPhone that you can leave this tutorial now and open the next tutorial for iPhone apps available on our Google Classroom page. If you have an Android phone and you're here for the tutorial, please make sure that you've already downloaded the VoiceX app. The icon looks like this, and you can download it by searching for VoiceX in the Google Play Store. If you've already downloaded the app, I'm going to give you the steps you need to know in order to record and upload your audio files to Google Classroom. Okay. So you're going to enter the app by clicking on its icon. Once you're in the app, you're going to find that the welcome screen is just a really easy, user-friendly space to record your voice. What you're going to do is notice that there's 3 tabs, one for record, one for all, and one for favorites. In the record screen, you can start your recordings easily by clicking record. When you click this button, you'll notice that this whole circle turns red. It means that it's recording, and it's going to pick up the levels. So if you are speaking to another person face-to-face and they're sitting across the table from you, you can see how high their audio levels are by how big the red circle gets. Test this out on yourself a couple times just by hitting record, saying test, 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 and then hit finish. Once you've hit finish, your recording's going to be saved automatically. To access your files and to look at your recordings, you go to the tab that says All. When you enter the All tab, you'll see your recordings are stored. There's not a really strong way to name these files until they're uploaded into your Google Drive. So let me show you how to upload the files into Google Drive. You're going to click this cloud. That is going to initiate a save feature that allows you to immediately upload it to Google Drive. The menu looks like this. It's going to ask you to complete the action using, and you're going to choose Google Drive. When you select Google Drive, it's going to ask you, do you want to select this for all the times that you upload things, or maybe just this once? I think you should select always. I selected always because I use Google Drive all the time. Once you've clicked Google Drive, you should go to your Google Drive app and immediately organize your work. By organizing your work, you make sure that you don't lose any interviews, and you can make sure that you can rename it and organize it yourself. You're going to do this by opening the Google Drive app and immediately going to the side menu that allows you to select Recent. When you select Recent, you'll find that the most recent items that you've looked at are immediately at the top. The most recently uploaded is my VoiceX file. So I'm going to click the menu options and move it so that I don't lose it. These files automatically go into your Google Drive, but they're not easily found unless you organize them. So here's how you organize them. You click the menu for your VoiceX recording, and it's going to ask where you want to put it. From this All Recordings file or folder, you're going to click Back. You click this arrow to go back into your Google Drive, and here you'll see that I have my entire Google Drive open. I'm selecting my KIP file. I already have an organized file system. I suggest you start setting it up here too. So I have my KIP folder here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to find my class, English 11. I'm going to click English 11. I'll then have more options. I have different things under my different folders under my English 11 folder. And I'm going to go to this unit for English 11, Oral History. I'll click that, and that's where I'm going to land my audio file, and that's where it's going to live. It's important that you know these steps so that you can upload your files as soon as you're done, and so that you can organize them so you can find them later and transcribe them in class. Good luck. Please email me if you have any questions.